The diagram shows apparatus which can be used to demonstrate osmosis. After 1 hour, what would happen to the liquid levels in the glass tubes? So, if you look at this diagram, you can see there is very concentrated sucrose solution on the left side and also concentrated sucrose solution on the right side. So they are both concentrated. It's just that the left one is more concentrated. And outside the solution, or outside the partially permeable membrane, there's water. And well, compared to the solution, water is just water, right? So there's more water in water. You can't say water solution because solution means that you dissolve something in the water. So you can't say water solution. Okay? It's just water. All right? So if you compare to the outside, now there's more sucrose molecules in the solution, so there's less water, which means the water outside will move into the solution. Same thing will happen here as well on the right side. So if the water goes into the left side and the right side of the tubes, then both of them, the both liquid level will rise, right? Hence the answer will be D. Well, this will occur because osmosis will happen, and this was a typical tricky question of using just concentrated sucrose solution. Okay. So since both of them have lower water potential than the outside, they'll both gain water. Hence the answer is D. Okay.